everyone. Today our video is about Lake Skadar in Montenegro. This amazing lake. We will tell you what you will see there during the tour, what you can do, and who's the best boat trip that you can book. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to share your comment on the video.
Skadar Lake, the largest lake in the Balkan Peninsula, with a surface area around 400 square kilometers. It's shared between Montenegro and Albania. This lake is a real piece of heaven, due to the exceptional beauty that you will see there. You will pass by so many attractive views, spots, historical ruins, in addition to many activities can be done there, like boat trips and kayak. Now we will tell you about the best boat trip to book in Skadar Lake. Everything starts from Virpasa. It's a small village next to the lake, and all boat trips operate from there. There you will find so many. Some are really good, but one is only the best. It's boat trip Milica. They will take you for a 3-hour tour all around the lake to discover an amazing experience within Skadar. Many informative details will be shared on the way by the captain there. He will offer you water, soft drinks all the way, and all overall it costs only 20 euro. But don't forget to buy your tickets for the national park, which is only 5 euro per person.